This is day 39 of Forge keyboard updates every day until the product ships. Today we'll compare embeds against printed threads and prepare for the first assembly of the final design for the Master's Forge. Let's go. So here's the embed test that we did along with the embedded exoskeleton that we made yesterday. Those work well enough, but there's one more option I wanted to test today, and that is printed threads, meaning that the helical pattern of the screw is just printed straight into the model. Embeds are less prone to stripping because the threads are made of metal, but keep in mind that you have to make a big cavity in the plastic wherever you want to place these, so you're weakening the areas around it, and you have to start considering how much plastic is above or below this embed, or you might just rip the embed right out of the plastic. And then of course we have tapped holes, which are just regular metal threads that are cut out of the piece monolithically. All three of these thread types have their pros and cons, and we'll be using all three of them in different areas of the design. And the other thing I want to try is this new little wing that kicks out for additional stability in the back here. Instead of folding it down from the thumb panel, I'm folding it from the back because the thumb panel is already folded over this face here. So I'll have a nice clean edge there, and then that would fold over the thumb panel. So you have overlap. Could be some really nice edge details there, as well as additional room for us to secure and mount to our endoskeleton. Looks pretty nice. Assembly tomorrow. ForgeKeyboard.com to learn more.